I can learn a lot of skill about communication, about academic style, so which is so helpful for us to understand better and learn more. I think this is quite important.
It make me easy because when for example, when I go to store, I feel very nervous when I communicate with others because maybe I always feel that maybe they don't know what I mean. So I think it's very useful for me. So I like this tutorial. It helped me a lot.
I really love when I can come to a class and after that talking with new friends, new people, and I have a suitable environment for that. Because more than that, it's just what I get from this class is really fantastic because like they have concisely information to what I can remember and apply it into my study.
The tutorials for that could provide us a very comfortable atmosphere, and all we need to do is just improve ourselves silently. Don't have to compete with others.
Especially the academic English. It's very useful for me to write an essay or reports, and he can tell me what way should I use to communicate with the local people. So it's very useful.
I think I lack confidence about my oral language and my listening skill. So through learning this session, I think I can better understand. And due to restriction, we couldn't go out to communicate with some locals face to face. So through this session, we can do that. We can practice my oral language through just like remote learning.
Speaking skills is very useful for me because after that tutorial, I'm more confident to talk with other one.
Oh yeah, it's definitely the tutors. Tutors who are really approachable and helpful will be very effective in limited time to answer a question, and in the process of communication, they will correct your mistakes in language and the grammar. From their perspective of native speakers, I think it's most important. And for me, I can feel my expression can better fit my real intention.
If you attend this tutorial, you can have more experience to how to write a report or some essays.
During this course, you can learn, you can meet more interesting people and practice your oral language. You can enhance your confidence.
Yeah, because this tutorial is very important for the second language students because it can promote our English study, and it can also to help me to join the life in Australia better.
As an international student, is that I cannot speak a whole sentence in English in my real tutorial, so I really scared at that time, and I know that after I attending this class, I completely changed and I'm more confident. So I think I would recommend for those who want to improve their English and maybe just their confidence.
For international students, what we lack is not the resource of improve ourselves, but the desire of improve ourselves. So if there's no reason for us to refuse anything or people that can help us or want to help us. So why do we say no to these tutorials?